Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Expedition. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings to ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Then, on your Expedition's infotainment screen, locate and select the sync system. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process, preparing both your phone and vehicle for connection. Once in the sync menu, choose the Add Device option. Your Expedition system will then begin searching for available Bluetooth devices. On your phone, you should see your vehicle appear in the list of discoverable devices. Select it, and a 6-digit PIN will display on both your phone and the vehicle's screen. Carefully verify that these numbers match before proceeding to the next step. After confirming the PIN, press Yes or OK on both your phone and the Expedition's display to finalize the pairing. The sync system may then ask for permission to download your phone's contacts and call history. Granting this access allows for hands-free calling and easy contact retrieval. Your device is now successfully connected, and you can enjoy wireless audio and communication. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Expedition sync system often resolves minor glitches. Sometimes, deleting old, unused pairings from your sync system can also improve connection stability and performance. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks, known for their lifetime warranty and other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your newly connected Bluetooth experience for safer and more convenient driving on all your journeys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.